Hello and welcome everyone. This is Less Than a Minute. We've talked before about the difference between in school and at school. You can watch it through this video. Today we're going to talk about a similar topic, the difference between in hospital and in the hospital. In hospital. In hospital means you're a patient in there. You're going to the hospital because you're sick, you have a problem or anything. So, for example, my friend is in hospital. He had a car accident yesterday. So in here, he's a patient in the hospital. And the second one, in the hospital. In the hospital means you're visiting. You're going to the hospital to do something else, not like the normal thing for a hospital. For example, I'm in a hospital visiting my friend because he had a car accident yesterday. So, in hospital, you're a patient. In the hospital, you're visiting. I hope it's clear. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.